akwaba ever too much GHS so Gano wahala jumedi mani guso amoshe na muni aba episkapa na majimedwa mede ensem no a edi attention ewo memo trending issues mede baba somo na ebusia for social media eso butubutu na watch be mienu miensa etwemu ani nyina na emaya mienu ana wo mo eko efa be ma ba ko ho a enkonko yese bia be ma no woda hokwa bi na wo mo pre mu na so akwa yese sugar daddy obi ekunu a wo mo pre no ho ansensem bebeto eja Ghana for bedodo na de wo ma no totu nsensem ni mu ama enede yi de nipa wono so okoliki information bi edema wonabo Kennedy Japan meche Kwame A+ wono so nensem bi okoko kan ama abaya Tracy Boachin so ababa be so na mobeka ya A+ nsem bi bebeto eja say yampa say Tracy Boachin woni no I have a fair point that was 10 years ago Emma wodi bebeto wo no mu ana wo chemu so wono krampo no na woni ska bia na wodi ama abaya no to no de o ye na di so be in installment na ense we na chese abaya yi ye ne no kwotwetwe nkomo ana se nkomo twetwe so a chese ya frɛ ne ebusebusa ne no nsɛm a wodi tu ja se A+ nsɛm o kan de wodi no ya pa na so ni nyina mo hu ne se obia ne efia wo firi mu ne ntete ayede ema no na se be ma wo betena se na wo se wo be chinchi na se wo no oba bia beba beda na beba be kana bontia mo bia te de na wa wo dididi na so we fully disappointed in him na everyone on local no se entokwa se na no ebeto A+ ano se de nka first na komo kasa ne de ebi ensi ye na ebusia form twam ho me ba me de se na aka no nchemu ebeba abeso
fitiani asese ne din ene your friend say mechanic na prophet kumichacha ma sesa me YouTube no ba bia me hwe bia ma change afro ene maba too much GH hwe na prophet kumichacha me so me hwe
na for me sanso emamo akwaba ebiemu yedwumedi enyumeku a eso yasen Mama Juliet Ventures Mama Juliet said ye mama ni ye boni di ye boni nsamra ne ani enoma pa woton ene adanse nkofo di afa ne ho enunti na amaye nsoso ye boni di nse wono soso wo ya ade wa kwadare ewo ema ye kitchen utensils and nyoma ye disese kitchen enya kitchen di nkwa wo de mo krampo wo ho nyoma wo beto ede sisi hono hwehwe Mama Juliet ne kira kwa obesi ma fa ne number wo screen no eso na wo ne no atwetwe nkomo na ebiem say delivery mpo na apese wonyema wa obeya ma ododo wa ho brase wo ojo akomo no betie ono be kasa ama chese wo ankasa no ebeya wo de wo penetra kwa so obehu no wo abeka La Paz knit roofings so eka ho ebiem ana chese mo amunim say can knit roofings na edan sobo ho ensem na chese mede eba betu anim wasi wodan na wusi wodan akakra ama wawie wobepe roofing papa wo de baba wodan so ama wo so wodan na ate apo ne akase enchense e dia boy de efe adani nso aborobo otim nso to ewie abo empade ene hwehwe knit roofings womo ekira kwan na womo so embo wodan so emma ne etwa yopo se de womo edin etene nkasa wo so wabobra ebi na ebiemu no so osi dan na we no pe abafu de yibi glass doors glass windows na wo hwehwe aluminium works akabiara no ene hwehwe Reynolds Aluminium Limited na womo so edi se adwuma no emfama wo fie se ye wadwuma mu wo office wo mantwe ba bi na apesa wo kobo yibi disi wono na chese wontonton bibi kakra wo mu krampo na ene frɛ womo na womo so edi se adwuma no emfa ema na ebusuafo ene day me guest Nana Ama Owusua. Nana Ama, me mo akwaba.
Me do swekia.
Bibi aboko die.
Na me abatum da sotiansi.
Ede radiasi. Nana Ama, abaya Tracy Boachin. Dane da wo babontin ya. Me nkase biem na wabeka bibi. Me nkase biem na waba beka bibi. Just see a crown put here. Was it just a nya de say, wo obi crown pa ma obi ababa beji ne trending na afa. Na wono susu na so adweno na enu mu krampo ne efra wo interview a wasan akọ keka ensem abaya no wo hwe sesei de wo ye na ebinum susu se wo ye depressed ena ema na ye sa enemu won so adwen fa ho eyesen
Epia da wasi nyakopo enhyira wo na akunya wo de mami so metina akunya yema na machia tumaji itahwefo na etifo wo support there esumbu mayen eni yenim chi amochi yenim edu yo ha They are also estombo edema meeting with the Masna Copo in Shamo, Ada on Tini and Farmamo. Na ekia on semination. She but they say how can I no maybe I go to look at the same thing now the same point. On TF2. She's so full of herself, say Joby can't change. Do not crampo a catcher who crampo. She can't do like on me shan also. Minya medical I can only self-control. And unti so campo say me be crampa. I didn't boom say yeah, oh, on shen kai crass or can't say me or the woman Jim Noy, or the air shake. Yeah, chef, hakono. So I can't not so can say be monk. So you video me or song can say be. Yeah, right. See organa. About the casabium. About the casabium. Nah, and yet depression.
Okay.
My sister said before I say depression. First, look at them, I say, oh, a mad emotions. Yeah. Some style be. If you are a Felice, I'm waving until I'm in the wood, you grab another and simple from. But Tracy Butcher general a lack of self-control. Okay. Tracy Butcher general too much pride. Okay. Tracy Butcher general and so what? I don't care about anybody, but in reference to say at the long run, you live with people. Okay. If you don't care about the opinions of people and you live among people, how do you survive? And when we say your opinions, na papa obi they who cast who take of one of their abrabon they won't be good. But sometimes when all maths rise up against you, every tank rise up against you in condemnation, and say when we say no, I have to check it myself. Say what am I doing? I'm at say ninya Simon. Aden. Yeah, there has not been any one person or yes sound minded about say, oh, I'm applauding Tracy Butcher. There's not been anybody like that. We have preachers, we have people, prominent people, and in for wisdom, people full of wisdom. I'm about but all of them are just speaking against the actions. But still now, she still stands by the same stance or not there. Or the no Obi to manindi, Obi no, Obi near one, or no, or one brand was seen dying in sa, and what in the and won't take away your pet, and was I want a man near how the same. But the long run, or that kind.
Na yen and saying a yen take a course or yet as a tone side friend, no, I busi busan of Papa Panosaga, what in a noasa out to watch as a plus in some a bear more, whatever casa their farm, say I a year a plus, or who is a obiane a year environment and a fear of free. Nay, into ya, the emany partner said, Bema, when you were barbeda, now Ben Nama Bontina or Baba Kekaka, or no anasem, or no anasem. Like, say, a woman said, A plus ye, and you know, points on the bicycle or can. The answer who or banner or no way be pen our work and who go who until you tear a buy and someone, what did to jar another working yan. Does it mean say one not like what or Magana for who say she doesn't care about say be a better gonna as say be a prostitute and as when you be business and like who in casa you money to the response of a year class again and then I'm a cafe.
Me only say and about say up say Ghana for and fan wants a Ghana for only so you show me true. Okay. Only obi auntie and I say obi in Ghana some chewa unim the way on a problem. And unti now fakon and ten sanche will be say or no on ye was a old ye no eshon. But A plus I tell you any day. I'm losing respect a man of one. Doesn't mean need little respect for A plus again. Okay. Because it was so childish of him. Okay. So not good. Ah, say what Bema at a worry to we chain. Nanyama wa ya trim. Massa, one way young I did. I saw from my grandpa. Sure. One way young collaborate relationship. One year I didn't say, collaborate with me, it's me, I collaborate with Rose, boy. And leaving that, and because after the three developing something, say, my father down 4 by force. Not to say, BB, but that doesn't mean say say ya ye na etwem a ya sema say enda wa na obekeka masa enkwala bem ye me from ye adolescent ebrebe ra ye just say 20s ye teens ni 20s no. There have been so many experiences. We are passing through so many processes. And say, yeah, we will make mistakes. Akoko tu nkosia we no tu suna nkosia ne pa ya. Akoko foforo na akoko ba no free book grandpa. And the probation from best do drop here asana wetimi anante wona na ato edi ni mama echi. Eno kapo bi okapo di mama echi ko tu ira. Ensempi eni o ensempi ne ye enti say oba at a stage of a life be yeah mistake maybe right coaching we nya and I say once I used to emotions ne high do feel say do bi ama last for the desire say to be power how to me so do bi ama so na ube wanga so be ni na be try nya chete na to say we go and notice how the man to see and notice say as old as he is why should you be speaking about something that happened 10 years ago seriously. And now because say no one some about pointing and go for it to feel say also information they only na yen what degrading I'm saying to true fact
eh you no one what degrading one as wo ye na bia ka eh abaya no so
Tracy already the problem with that
okay
Tracy are creating their own problem
okay
yeah kasa ho the papa no saga be a problem that ho but say A+ so didn't who pet him I said the flow no trend in anything what childish thing is that me only kola Niba buy you any baby no if a boyfriend not one day the boyfriend ni bana benya presidency papa bi edino and also benya penimu papa bi edina to say ko for the presidency the politics e wo mu no obi penu asem so be ni tese obete say ni bana ex boyfriend bi e de woman nemu asem because how would he feel? It's not needed and yet necessary and yet important. Master, what is past is past. You also made a mistake as a man.
Sure.
Because no crana will niska. Show to say so can put over show Anna, who to me or no poor banuka your favor no tonight. No more free sex, more the open beer was happening with S7 year. Now Munteba tell what's that the news? A very man. Na no dey news crap na o sa o kika e da wonu na wo kika e mema bi say no o mu kipi si kika ko say okay one hair crap e ko na ne te crap no yere oni na isha wo paso oni ni ko jare crap no hu ni re hu bi crop beti ma ka che na da for because o lose talker o bia ne can't lose and o this anko no
okay
oba ina michi ss ni hu bi Jesus na me ni oba we wo na me a childish thing a game
can him say SS one
what about the credit for now be this agro baby
see now when say na because of so so person one deal with this and another thing
Tracy trendy
to op kwa
Tracy trendy nti once eni to sheda de no be je opon kuma papa no saga o here na ni bi baso keke no pe more trend master trend negugu fia ne Emma will lose respect her. Then what was it? Was it worth it? Okay. So be trending now a baby now or be respect call woman or crab no eswate. No be call or respect or go be the man so the way nipa mu at say odi mu o bibi mu na to say or what me lose respect no respect to be man. Na e worth it and kind a man ko fa do no more na.
So you think say so ordinary no too no she he could have like
a biggest mistake say and I mean even the reason behind asem no de Bible until no camp say only na no na say obia nya no wo ka na asem etwi ni ti wo sa akoka na wa hyemu kinya to wo de u carpet ko ejam na adede wo no na hu nya na wo refi say wo carpet no gum na wo kire eja no wo so ebeti ma show say wa anwen wo sa oni say o ka say no say wo na wo say wo di ti ma mi nkangum na say we hu say je akwasa ponchin how dey no honam ejitwi ni ni ra ba ho onim say o say ni ra ne ban
no so ni pedua ka
da wase what was so there nti e no be na A+ I am
okay anama
obema bi say kram cheno makọ man ka me feel ni pa mi cheno makọ ka
anama na ye dey
am feeling ombunu
oh no be o anama na so sa na te na just also pe papa no bi
oh ni sa oh me ka ta ka aka mi enye ni sa but on say obi wa ha and you say open yourself person in happy but who have it some kind of respect man oh me na ni baby to say yeah because all worrying na controversy be on V I could say ni A+ and control me na me pay A+ something that because of Africa where I want to be and you need time you know na me pay na because of the way na political activists are fighting against corruption and no man pay na in the first place. And I like somebody like that or to me speaking out freely. But maybe I will rest is any watra borders.
Okay. Now I share say you say obi fun kuma ye fun nya. Nti say nipa babo nti wa baba be gu hu fi wa baba be ka me ne wada me ne wa ye say me kura me nye scan to ya me ye na me ye ma say me 20 installment ne wo wa be ka we nyina na wo ni say bia wa ka de a kire eye panyi bi ama panyi susu adi so a wo susu na ye ka asem ne fa ho no na ehu hia say wo susu babo nti be ka bi fa
no ni Tracy Bachi problem and sem bi wo ha e wa bueni eguso me pe obi baby obi o say the krama ehu obebo wu
okra ho na obu ani chi na okoni baby
masa onu mo are ready to obegu nu fi na odebetu na no to akeka akachi obi so yin so against you say ukrabo marida ukrabo me used that and can I say come on standard say masa we used to the crack right now wonya me level like me ultimately me mingo ultimately be me problem we used to that right but see am me no nya the same stand so now we start one betu no the love no be jina so low level no be jina so the cast and some the honorable user again so what down to that level na be jina we say I go bet myself for me because we not be the same stand
hey Sam
oh obi kasa
we sure say Tracy better my A+ chance
me can let my man the chance me can in that things but me can say who we time and what black winning sure according to what black winning if you are level what is on no proper or X what me men and no say and ka X na pap on tin e be kan nsema mo ye o mo time mo ntem no o ka che obi no na kono so use against na wa pap on tin o ba on tin no wa ba to the level
okay
because obi anka oni na have it with him only ye done more close mu dosa enka ehun hian po se obema ne kwan amate se obenya wano kasa bokra na ehun hian kra po se ne kasa o kakra po obema na affect because already na only ni obi ni bibia afa ho bi ka o don still now o Felix mana and na wodo anu betu nia and na te say enka make sense but who say who X phone ya anti me who level we do say no nkom ho mo fero now X back ba be gun win master also back to that level that low level so X no good win master also about be good no it doesn't make sense master move on I say on channel X and say me moving on into one still now into that thing in India and I me moving on master they all can come in tea no actually on levels no actually standards and no stand oh baby obetime to charm obetime respect all to me go crowd be ferro say ko for na no antuma nka A+ crabo entimi kana sem mo na sem to be but we are ono saba in A+ say na A+ say no we next time A+ ke bi obeta ko post to be yema ye hu say ye sumbo esifano yema na enkasa obaje it doesn't there's no woman who doesn't have a past. There's no woman who doesn't have a bad past and has a bad secret to be on because Obi try to be epic or to a virgin cry. Or a virgin crack or when maybe a baby why as a bar won't be paying Georgia. But so Obi and I only get this intimacy no not to get involved with Ungakuno all stupid low to talk about what happened in the past. Who says say I'm a woman. Yeah. At least I have that experience. I've stand on that experience to build my life. And where I've gotten to now, I don't want that past thing. Okay. I'm living in the present, so I don't want that past thing to come and break me. So now you still live in the past, yeah. Then continue living there. But me moving on. And no moving on no. And then when I be on the account. Reaction. After saying some about Bontin no honorable canal no to record the video no address it as if we were about to that I bet you to the second country to the biggest mistake. So bet you too. Okay. E mama de so mo kasa.
Sure.
E mama bi kasa.
Obo okwa woni moda.
No,
But just
kasa.
officer we your fans e o.
E good as me say na come expect say A+ ba pontin be we say A+ mumbo. Yeah honorable be ka say A+ cry we cramp no ka kana no tun on kebi cry kan ko ka say A+ o kasa o na because other things near that so I did be at to do on it can because I passed 10 years ago na ka kana no tun na ko cash in phone. I look out to work who A+ what work and what man do you are on Kanya now hope because now you expect to say no cramp member be yes na ka the new one so ferry and then you go asim go for him but on also a few one cash in phone to be anti because one cash in phone and no Tracy watching the problem ni na no and the kasa be person ya no anu ye wo to the same p and am say be ya no be anu so there e be nyam from so e wo anu kasa mu
Aba ye de enkomo dide ni esia eno no efuto final words and we mama eye ahwefo ni etifo
ebusia for me dem say kwia me so me da was say sanse one mama makonya me mama picture na dream na me di efuto ema ye hu me kire say emma yenyia nyama bebree si ss nyama bebree si wo mistake bebree ye bi ebra yenyi ye ra adolescents mu ye body sisa nufu piepie ye fu ehwin wo ye hu bia no nyama bebree si adwe bebree ne ba yetim na no nkire say yes ade ni wi a yen keep memory book o yetim na yen keep record na enu nti that kra o pese wuntu anamo bia because you say nyama nkofo ye wo mu kwala brem mu titi brem no omo nya etimi block your life etimi close to omo down etimi show omo so ama they don't want to live the real life because of say that past experience no will haunt them in the future and here once it was a mistake done in your past when you didn't know anything about it no nobody can hold any case against you and your fault a mistake and people are bound to make mistakes wodo obeto kwa upon bitan say onu na brabo buy no wonye mistake da na eska form my mistake enya form by mistake obi ye mistake and to obi enu obeti na to bo eda boss why mistake but say e bo mistake no so a emma wonu ye konfa another mistake from me sha na ma enye mistake bo ha me ba ocho enye bibia na yi aho ebi nyama bi wo ha ehu hia say fa o past life hu na hwe na enye relevant amasa twabo enfi obia na movie on na no ye de yesi kasa dodo obia no from so embe muniti ya hwe ya no kasa eye mi besi ha
nana ma ye beda wasi bebre pa ebusia fo nana ma ka bebre we hu hia se me so mi bi be ye de ebe so efuto we ensakra nipa eyi so hwe na so futo bi wo ho no mu a wuti ya na de bi atukoto dwem se de be ya wo ko baabi na wo hia ennyoma bi sa wo hu how a so be go about certain things into ebusia said ye kind of ha and a brebe me kwa me de adwumadi no esi subscribe to the channel no share na famo ebusuafo ne adofo no e wo all the social media platforms betimi follow ye we IG page @atuma_gh_ midi e de ekwesi kapa me na ama obusu na twetwen komo that's ne ebesanation